Hi, good day. Welcome back to another video on Python. We're going to talk about lists and variables. In variables, we're specifically going to understand references in Python. So let's start. Lists. Lists are organized. They start and end with brackets. You cannot change something inside the list that's already there. Lists are immutable, meaning they can't be changed, which is right here. There's a function we will be using called append in the example. It adds whatever value is given to the end of the list. Understanding references in Python. When we assign a variable to a number, it is bonded to that number. And it doesn't have to be a number, it could be a primitive as well. So if we want to create a copy of that variable somewhere else, you can't just say bind that variable to this variable or bind this variable to another variable. Because if you wanted to change just one, both will change since they are bonded together. Let's see a visual expression. This is wrong. So x and y and the list 1, 2, 3. So we're bonding x to the list 1, 2, 3 or assigning x. And we're assigning y to x. Now that example would be wrong because both of them are not independent. Because x is independent, but y is dependent of x. X is bonded to the list 1, 2, 3. Y is bonded to x. So if we were to change x, y would change also. So let's see an example of all of those. Here we say assign x to the list 1, 2, and 3. Then we say assign y to x. Then we use this append function, which as we know adds something to the end of the list. And I said x.append hi to the end of the list. And then this fancy bit, all it does is print x with the colon and then print the list of x. Then here print y colon and print the list y. So most beginners would think that x would be 1, 2, 3 high and y would be still 1, 2, 3. But as we know, that's not the case, which gives us x is 1, 2, 3 high and y is also 1, 2, 3 high. This is because x is bonded with the list 1, 2, and 3, but y is bonded to x. So both variables are not independent. X is independent, y is dependent of x. So when we change x, y changes, as you can see here. I'll do it one more time. Please let me know what topics in Python should I cover in my next video in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe to our videos. Have a good day. This is Chennai Brothers exiting, and see you soon with the brand new Python video.